Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Monzo alternative compared. So let's quickly dive into it. If you like Monzo but you want to see what else is out there, a few digital banks really stand out. For example, Sterling Bank. Sterling Bank is a top alternative with strong budgeting tools, no monthly fee, and excellent customer support. Another one is Revolut. Revolut is great if you travel often. It offers multiple currency accounts, international transfer, and extra features like crypto and stock trading. For flexibility and smart saving, Bonquil shines with multiple sub-account and powerful automation, while Chase UK offer a clean app and competitive cashback reward. Each option has its own strength, and the best choice depends on how you want or how you spend, save, and travel. So if this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple banking comparison, and comment which Monzo alternative you do want me to make video on. And that's it.